pimp my AK.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will replace the wood furniture on my airsoft AKM with 3D printed parts. I'll start by taking off the stock. There are two screws, one on the top and one on the bottom. Use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew the top one. For the bottom one, you will need a 3mm hex key. Once you have taken out both screws, you can just slide off the wooden stock. Flip up the lever on the right side and take off the gas tube. Take out the cleaning rod. Flip the lever on the handguard retainer and slide the whole assembly forward so you can separate the handguard from the receiver. Use the cleaning rod to hold the gas tube and turn it 180 degrees into the upper part of the handguard. Take the wooden part off and set it aside. Take your replacement part and orient it with the bigger part towards the back of the gas tube. Put it over the gas tube from the bottom and turn it 180 degrees. Put it aside for the moment. Let's reassemble the replica, starting with the handguard. Slide the handguard retainer forward and insert the back part of the handguard into the receiver. Slide the retainer back and flip the little lever. Make sure that it is locked. Now install your gas tube assembly. Fit the front part into the gas port and the back part into the slot in front of the rear sight. Turn the lever counterclockwise until it clicks into the receiver and locks the gas tube in place. Now let's assemble the stock. Take the butt pad and fit it with two M5 by 10mm button head cap screws. Take the stock and the cover latch. Orient the latch with the serrated part towards the top of the stock and the slanted part towards the front. Insert it into its corresponding slot in the stock. Take a pen spring and insert it into the back of the latch. Now you can screw the butt pad to the back of the stock, with the logo towards the top and the slanted part towards the bottom. Slide the stock over the parts in the back of the receiver. Take your original screws and use them to secure the new stock in the same way the original one was mounted. Remember, the flat head screw goes on the top and the socket head cap screw goes on the bottom. If you want to print your own parts, the files are available on my Cults 3D profile. Links are in the video description. If you liked the video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Insert the cleaning rod back into its place. Now you can close the storage compartment with its cap to complete the assembly. Slide the tab of the cover under the front part of the stock. Pull the latch towards the back, press down on the cover, and release the latch. Now the cover should be locked in place. Installing the new kit does not require any permanent modification of the replica, as the handguard clears the sling attachment point. You can get it back to its original form anytime. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.